Today I provide a popular recipe from Egypt. Title: Mashi Wara Enab, Mashi Wara Enab, Egyptian stuffed grape leaves. Mashi Wara Enab, also called Mashi Wosa in some dialects, is a beloved Egyptian dish of tender grape leaves stuffed with a savory herby rice mixture. It's a staple at family gatherings, especially during Ramadan, feasts, and weddings. The dish is often cooked with lamb chops at the base for extra flavor. Ingredients for the stuffing: 1½ cups short-grain rice, washed and drained, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 medium tomatoes, finely chopped or grated, ½ cup fresh parsley, finely chopped, ¼ cup fresh dill, chopped, ¼ cup fresh cilantro, chopped, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, ½ teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon ground coriander, salt and pepper to taste, ¼ cup olive oil, juice of 1 lemon. For wrapping and cooking, you'll need 1 jar or a fresh bunch of grape leaves, about 60 to 80 leaves, 2 medium potatoes, sliced into rounds for lining the pot. Optionally, you can add lamb chops or bone-in lamb pieces, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic if you like, 1 to 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth or even water, the juice of 1 lemon, and finally, a drizzle of olive oil. First, prep the grape leaves. If you're using jarred leaves, rinse them thoroughly to remove the brine. Then, boil them in water for 2 to 3 minutes to soften. If you're using fresh leaves, blanch them in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes. Once done, drain and set them aside. Now, prepare the stuffing. In a large bowl, mix the rice with chopped onion, tomatoes, parsley, dill, cilantro, tomato paste, cumin, coriander, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. The mixture should be fresh and fragrant. Lay 1 grape leaf shiny side down. Place about 1 teaspoon of stuffing near the stem end. Fold in the sides and roll tightly, kind of like a cigar. Repeat for all leaves. Layer the pot by lining the bottom of a wide pot with potato slices and optionally, lamb pieces and garlic cloves. This protects the rolls from direct heat and infuses flavor. Arrange the rolls by placing the stuffed leaves tightly together in layers over the potatoes or lamb. Press down gently with a plate or heat-proof lid to keep them from unraveling. Pour in broth or water until just below the top layer. Add lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil. Cover and bring to a boil, then reduce to low heat. Simmer for about 1 hour or until the rice is fully cooked and the leaves are tender. Let it cool slightly before inverting onto a serving platter. Serve warm or at room temperature, often with yogurt or a fresh salad. For a vegetarian version, skip the meat and use vegetable broth. For a richer flavor, cook slowly over low heat and let it rest for 15 minutes before serving. I hope you make it and enjoy it. Have a great time.